Addition of 6 same big numbers. 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equals to 600. 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200 is equals to 1200. 300 plus 300 plus 300 plus 300 plus 300 plus 300 is equals to 1800. 400 plus 400 plus 400 plus 400 plus 400 plus 400 is equals to 2400. 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500 is equals to 3000. 600 plus 600 plus 600 plus 600 plus 600 plus 600 is equals to 3600. 700 plus 700 plus 700 plus 700 plus 700 plus 700 is equals to 4200. Like and share my video. Subscribe to Learning City. Bye.